Hello students, today we are going to discuss Biology Chapter 7, Health and Hygiene. So in this chapter we are going to revise these topics, and the first topic is here, what is allergy and what is allergens and what is the meaning of anaphylaxis and what are the allergic reactions and what are the two types of allergies and preventions and precautions of this allergy. So first is here, what is allergy? Let's look that, and we know that allergy is a type of non-communicable disease, and the reaction, that is a body reaction, and this reaction or hypersensitivity of body tissue to certain substances. And we know that allergy can affect anyone in any age group, that means regardless of age, gender or socio-economic status. I repeat, allergy is a type of body reaction and that will affect in any people or any age group regardless of age, gender or socio-economic status. So look at that. The next point is here, allergens. Allergens means some substance, that means the substance that trigger an allergy is called the allergens. We know that many of the people, they are suffering from different kinds of allergies, and the reason for that allergy is that the allergens, that means in some subjects or that trigger a person, trigger an allergy. For example, pollen dust, then specific drugs, then insects, so pollen grains, then some medicines and some insects. These are the examples of different kinds of allergens. Then next is anaphylaxis. So related with allergy, one important topic is here, that is anaphylaxis. And anaphylaxis is a life-threatening reaction. And anaphylaxis, the other name is that anaphylaxis shock. It is a severe life-threatening reaction. Then to certain allergens, this also cause some, the reason for that anaphylaxis is some allergens, and for example, nose, digestive tract, skin and circulatory system of these are the common entry or common. Some important points we are going to explain through these slides. And the first point is here, we know that allergy, what is allergy? And allergy is a type of non-communicable disease, and allergy is a body reaction, and this allergy can occur in any individual who is hypersensitive to certain substances. So some people that may be born with some diseases such as sickle cell anemia, and we know that some people, they may choose unhealthy behavior. Then people may be affected by the environmental pollution. So anyway, different kinds of, that means the non-communicable diseases can be caused because of these reasons. But allergy is a non-communicable disease, or this is a part of non-communicable disease. And our immune system, we know that in our body, immune system is there. That immune system is always helping us to fight different kinds of foreign substances. But some peoples, that means that react fairly harmless substance. So these reactions are the allergic responses. So the substances that trigger an allergy is called allergens. And allergens, for example, people who are allergic rose flower, that actually allergic to the tiny pollens that's present in the flower. Along with this pollens, dust,
then strong sunlight, particular food items, and certain cosmetics. These are also some other examples of allergen. And next is anaphylaxis. And anaphylaxis is a life-threatening reaction of certain allergens. The other name of anaphylaxis is a anaphylaxis shock, and this is also mentioned here. And body tissues may swell in this, and including tissues in the throat. Then anaphylactic shock is also characterized by sudden drop in the blood pressure. That means the BP level will become low. And some other common symptoms also will show this anaphylactic shock, and itching will be that means over the most of the body, and feeling overly warm. Then the person will become very difficult for the that breathing, shortness of breath, then pain or cramps, the nausea, anxiety, abnormal heart rate. These are the symptoms of anaphylaxis. Next, now we are going to discuss about what are the routes of, that means entry routes of allergens. Nose, skin, then digestive tract, then circulatory system. These are the common entry routes that which the allergens are entering into our body. And on the basis of their occurrence, allergies are two types. And look at that. What are the two types of allergies? Perennial allergy and seasonal allergy. And this perennial allergy means that may be occur at any time of the year. And this type of allergy, that is often a reaction. That means mainly this is happening because of house dust and some fungal spores and some fibers of fabric and dust, dander. These are the reason for perennial allergy. And next one is a seasonal allergy. And seasonal allergy means the other name of seasonal allergy is important. That means hay fever, and the allergy symptoms that happen during certain seasons of the year. That's why this is called a seasonal allergy, because the symptoms that's happening during certain seasons of the year. Then usually when the flowers release their pollens, sometimes that outdoor molds release their spores, then trees, grasses, and weeds also release tiny pollen particles into the air. These are seasonally happening. So seasonal allergies can start at almost any age. These are the two types of allergies: perennial allergy and seasonal allergy. In perennial allergy, one more allergy is mentioned in the chapter. That means food allergy. We know that sometimes the people who are allergic to certain category of food. For example, some of the people are allergic to nuts, milk, fish, wheat, etc. So this is also coming in the category of perennial allergy, and that's a food allergy is also a type of perennial allergy that is related with the food. Then symptoms of that result from the interaction between allergen and that are called allergic reactions. That means some of the symptoms that uh, the symptoms and prevention and precautions also mentioned here. On the basis of their occurrence, allergies are two types. So next is perennial allergy may occur at any time, while seasonal allergy can cause during the certain seasons only. Then we should strictly follow the preventive measures for avoiding of different kinds of allergies. And nowadays we know that allergies are seemingly on the rise. What's the meaning of this? Allergies are seemingly on the rise because of scientists are explaining that this is a reason for hygiene hypothesis, and which links allergies to the modern clean environment. We all of them are living in a modern clean environment. That is a reason for allergies are seemingly on rise. So with And with the availability of now, the according to our life now, this in modern life, the availability of clean water, childhood devoid of consuming much dirt, and the immune system does not receive any kind of training, so needs to function efficiently. As a result, healthy exposure, that means that the microbes that lead to the body to develop more strong microbe defense, then rather than reactions such as allergies. And here, prevention and precautions of allergies also mentioned here. We need to avoid dust allergens. So we can avoid this dust allergies because you may or we may keep our house dust free and clean. Then we need to wear a mask if we have to go outdoors during the seasonal allergic period. Then isolate our pets and keep them outside as much as possible. Then regular baths of your pet also will be help to reducing dander. Then particular food items. We know that already some of the food items that is allergic for us. So we need to avoid that in every form. Then the last point is that keep the anti-allergy pills with you when we are traveling or going out of the house. So we that want to be a habit that to keep the anti-allergic pills whenever we will go to out of our house. So these are the prevention and precautions of allergies. So after this, some exercise parts also included in the chapter that's already explained. So I'm going to winding up this lesson now, revision topic. Okay.